Jamaica is our home, and we want to explore it and share those moments with you.
That includes the food, the places, in general, our culture.
This is YaadMentz. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of YaadMentz. We're so glad that you are tuning in today. We want to say a big thank you to everybody who subscribed to our channel. We're at 100 subscribers.
Yes.
And that is just awesome. Give yourselves a round of applause.
Big up to everybody who subscribe, who keep sharing, who keep liking, commenting. The works. We love it.
We love you. We thank you for the support.
Definitely.
So today we will be doing another showdown.
Yeah.
If you haven't checked out our banana chip showdown, go and check it out right now.
No.
We would be doing Cran Water.
Cran Water.
Today.
Cran Water, definitely.
And Cran Water is a thing that has become quite popular, I think, in Jamaica.
Definitely.
So we have two brands here. We have Ocean Spray, Splash.
Splash, right? We have Splash.
Yeah, and then we have
WATA.
WATA.
Water.
They're Cran Waters. And we have both these lines have similar flavors. So both of them have a strawberry, both of them have a grape, and both of them have a regular cranberry.
Right.
So we're doing a showdown for you guys today. We have 3 rounds because we have 3 flavors. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned. So, welcome back, guys. So we are going to start off with the regular Cran Water.
Yeah, regular Cran Water, regular cranberry, no added extra flavor.
Right. So we have the WATA Brand.
Yeah, and we have the flavor Splash one by
Spray.
Ocean Spray.
Right. So we have our water here. So for each time we taste a different Cran Water, we're going to wash out our cups and wash out our mouth as well. So we don't mix the flavors and the taste.
So we can give a good review of both of them.
Alright, so which one we're going to start with first?
Let's start with the flavor Splash.
Alright, cool.
Well, you start with that one?
Alright, let's do this.
You know you have to open it because we can't.
Oh, the butt smells sweet. Have a sweet smell.
Yeah, it smells like cranberry. Alright, that's good. We're only taking this much because it's just a taste.
Let's see what I want. Alright,
so ready?
Right,
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's nice. I don't think it's too sweet. What's the sugar content in this one?
That's 13 grams of sugar.
13 grams of sugar in this one.
Right.
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah, it's not too sweet, not too sour.
Yeah, it's refreshing.
Nice little blend.
Yeah, it's refreshing.
Then wash out cup.
Yeah. Yes, we're trying to do this, and I'll just drink the water from this. Yeah.
Alright, cool. Mouth wash out. So to the WATA Brand now.
Yeah.
See what I'm going for this.
Smell a little fakeish, to be honest.
It don't smell so sweet like the Splash.
Yeah, it don't really smell as, like, I don't know, fresh. So why you give me so little bit and you give yourself so much?
This is because you hold it in your hand. Alright.
You saw him stay, people?
Alright.
Man, give himself no one, give me a little bit. Cheers. It tastes okay.
It does.
But it is a little bland, to be honest. It tastes more fake than anything.
You don't have it. It's not that. I don't think the mix is so sweet like this one. This is 14 grams of sugar.
14. Okay.
So this is even less than the Splash. So I think they should be a little bit sweeter than this one. But this definitely the Splash is a good blend. So
yeah, it's more than the Splash in terms of the content, right?
Right.
Because the sugar in this is 13 and the sugar in this is 14.
Right.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna grade them out of 5. I would say for the Splash, I'd say 3. I'd say 3 for the Splash.
Okay. And what about this one?
The other one, I'd probably say 2.
2.
Yeah. What do you say?
Alright, so 4 and 2.5.
So 4 and 2.5.
Right.
Alright, so who is the winner for this round?
It's definitely
Splash.
So
for round 1,
Splash, give it up.
Splash is the winner.
Definitely. Alright.
Alright, welcome back to round 2. Alright, round 2 is what we have grape, the grape flavor. So in Splash, it's called Cranberry Grape. And in this one, Water, it's called Cranberry.
Yeah, Cranberry Water.
Yeah, so
Alright.
let's just see. Let's see.
So we start with this one.
Yeah, alright, yeah. I already wash out with cup and wash out with mouth, so
Right.
we don't have to see that again too fast. We can't pour enough.
You know, to tell you the truth, I like the grape flavor, so I think that's why I pour a lot. But yeah. Cheers. Right off the bat. Fresh.
But you do taste the grape flavor in it though. But I almost feel like the grape kind of overpower the cran water, to be honest. The cranberry aspect of it.
It's fresh. To me, it's just literally fresh. So we're going to put this one now. Let's go here. Measure it.
No, it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's all good. It's all love over here. God is love.
Cheers. Take time, like, you know, can't make it look so.
Alright. This one is really nice.
Yeah. It have a nice blend to it. The smell is nice as well.
Yeah.
As you taste it, it just have a nice sweet taste to it.
But not too sweet though, because what's the sugar content in
for the
this
splash, it does have 19 grams of sugar.
19. So this one is more than the regular cranberry flavor, and for the water.
And this water is 15 grams, so this has less sugar in it.
Yeah, we definitely can taste that, but I don't know. I feel like the sugar does. More sugar in the splash does better for this combination of grape and cran. Right. It does. The grape is though. You taste it more than you do the cranberry also in the splash.
I mean, this is definitely the one that I would definitely buy. So so I'll grade it. So out of 5, this is definitely 5 out of 5 because I love grapes. So I'm definitely gonna give it 5 out of 5.
I'd give it 4. I'd give this one 4, and for the water,
I'll give this one a 2.5.
Yeah, I'd give it a 2.5 too. Not very impressive, to be honest. Actually, I'll give it a 2. You know, I have to go a little lower.
So Grape Splash is the winner of this round.
Woo, woo.
So welcome back to the final round.
Yep,
round 3. Alright, so for round 3 we definitely have the Cran strawberry and we have the cranberry strawberry.
Alright.
It's the same thing. So they just name it different.
Right.
Off the bat you can tell the difference in the color.
This
striking. Is light.
Way lighter.
And this is, a richer red.
That could mean that the lighter one is fresh and the darker one is...
It's a bit sweeter.
I don't know. We'll see when we taste it. I don't know if I've ever tasted these two flavors. I mostly go with the grape and I've had the regular one.
I'll try this one. This would be my definite second choice. If there's not any grape, I'll definitely go for the Cran strawberry. It does stay sweet as the grape as well, so I'll definitely go for this one.
So let's try them and check it out.
I'm gonna go for this one first. Alright, let's see what's up with this.
It's so light, guys. It almost looks like it's gonna be insipid, like.
Alright.
It smells nice though. It smells sweet, but fake, like bag juice.
Alright. Yeah, it have a nice little smell to it. No, we're not tasting nothing. We're not tasting nothing, literally.
And to be honest, I feel like this one is the sweetest one of all of them. I mean, all of them fresh to me. But I feel like this one is the sweetest one. It's not bad.
It's not bad, but it's a bit not too sweet, which is good. You don't want a lot of sweet stuff, but
because the sugar content
is like 14 grams.
14 grams.
Right. So, off the bat for me, it's definitely not too sweet, but it's a good mix. Right. So let's go for the splash. Alright, so you for me.
Hey man, that one I feel like it got sweet.
Yes. Off the bat, it's sweet. It's just like you want to just taste it. It's sweet. Yep.
I don't like that one here. Some taste not right. I don't know if it have a little bitterish aftertaste. I don't like that one here. I don't like this one.
But this, it will be my second best. I'll choose this if there's no grape anytime. Definitely. She don't like it.
I don't like this one.
She don't like it.
Let me drink some water.
It have a nice taste to it. To me, it does.
I want to get out my mouth.
She's a bit extra. She's been a bit extra today. I don't know why.
You know I'm a dramatic person.
Alright, so this have what, like 17 grams of sugar, which is more than this, like what, 3 grams more than the water. But yeah, you can definitely taste the difference in the sweetness.
The color is obviously different too.
Definitely obviously different. This have as I said, this have a richer red color to it. So
what you say out of 5 for the splash?
3 out of 5. And well, I keep giving the water 2, but the 2.
For me, I'm gonna start with this one because I never liked the other one. So this one, I'd give it about a 2.8, and for this one, I'd give it probably like 1.5, to be honest. I do not like this one. It have a little aftertaste what me now feel.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Wow.
So who win this? Well, for a double point.
Right.
So the scores are for the splash is 4.5.
4.5.
And the scores for the Cran Water is 4.8.
4.8. So Cran Water actually won one.
Yeah, it won one. Yeah, round of applause. Big up Uno.
Alright.
And who you said distribute this one?
This is from I think Pepsi distribute the splash one. Yes.
And Wisynco distributes water.
The water. But try this one and let us know. Let us know
if
thoughts.
you haven't tried any of them. Let us know what you think.
Which one you like?
Yeah, comment down below and all that. And we thank you again for tuning in. Big up on yourself for subscribing and liking and sharing and commenting. We love you know on a large. Remember to keep those suggestions going. As people have been giving us suggestions on what to do next, where to go. Right. So you can comment down below your suggestions of where you think we should go next.
Or what we should try next. Because we do like to eat and snack on some stuff. So tell us your favorite snack.
We love doing the showdown.
Right. So tell us your favorite one so we can do some showdown again. Some other snacks or drink out there. Yeah.
So we will see you in the next one. Remember to follow us on Instagram. At YaadMentz for more fun. Check out our Insta stories, and we will see you in our next video. Thanks for watching.
Next week.
Bye.
Big up yourself. #YaadMentz. Everything.
#YaadMentz.